Alrighty, so today I am working on, let's try, replacing my clusterfuck, because she's been under the water, and yep, there we go, some lovely bits here. I couldn't be really trying to clean all that up, and it's pretty fucking shit anyway, so whatever. So I've got new gauges for it, and I've made up a template. Sorry you missed me making that. That was devastating, wasn't it, for sure. These are pretty much the exact size of what I need. I'm thinking of using an aluminium backing plate. I actually wouldn't mind using fucking carbon fiber, but might take a little long to get here, so I've got to order it, and I'm sick of waiting for shit, so I just like to sort of get on with it. I could once I've got all the gauges cut out and everything like this. See, the thing is, this is going to have to be I'm going to have to weld a box, I think, to actually go in the dash. So let me put this up here, right? So there's the dash bit, right, and there's the insert bit sitting on top. Let me see if I can zoom in for you. So that's the insert bit that sits on top, and I'm going to have to remake something like that, because I don't reckon if I just cut out this flat piece, it's not going to be able to stay in there. And I'm having a hard time trying to work out what the fuck I can use to hold it in there. If I hadn't bloody already repaired the top of it and everything like that, I probably could have welded some tabs in there, which would have worked, but it's a bit friggin' late now, so we'll just see anyway. You never know what comes around the corner. Every time I make these and like make a video about something, and then, you know, I say I've got no idea what I'm doing, and I'll probably do this and I'll probably do that, and it ends up turning out completely and absolutely different to what I decided. And I re-watch these and I go, you dickhead, you're going to do this and going to do that. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Right, so first thing I need to do is I need to make a template here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this a spray, and I'm going to press this down on here. Should I spray it, or should I put some bog on it or something instead? I did try a bit of a spray thing before, and yeah, it didn't really turn out that fucking fantastic. Maybe I should use bog instead. Trying to think. Yeah, I think I might mix up a bit of bog instead. Alright, so this is going to seem very strange, but that's me. Okay, so we've traced a bit of putty, bog, bondo, whatever the frig you want to call it, all around the outsides of these. So now let's see if we can get away with using it as a template. So here we go. Here goes nothing. So I just touched a bit down there accidentally. Like such. Okay. Aha! There you go. Good. Good, 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 good. That worked. Rightio. Now, let's see how I go about drilling some holes in here without stuffing it up. Let's see, shall we? Well, I was doing this with the drill press, but the drill press is a bit gutless actually, which is a bit weird considering the fucking size of the damn thing. But I'm going to upgrade that sooner or later, but it's ridiculous. I think it's like 1 3/4 horsepower or something, but yet it doesn't like to do this. But my bloody my AGE absolutely friggin' kicks its ass, so yeah, oh well, we'll just do it by hand and try not to break me wrists. That's fucking if it grabs. Also got to watch this damn plate spinning around. Move this over a bit so you might be able to see it. Yeah, exactly. Oh, fuck, that hurt. Oh, man. That was nasty. Oh. I'll put it on a higher speed. Fuck, that hurt. Oh, broken wrist. No. Doesn't want to do it on high. Oh, bloody hell, that hurt my wrist. You bugger. Ah, fuck. Ah, yeah, that hurts. Oh, dear, oh dear, oh dear. Oh. I think I might put it back in the drill press and just put up with being taking a lot longer rather than breaking me fucking wrists, because that hurts a lot. And this thing's getting blunt. What have I got? Fucking 2.5 more to do. Fun. And these are too friggin' small. This is actually... This is the clamp that holds it on the back. So they need to be taken out another 2 or 3 mil at least. So that's going to be fun. All up, this is a ton of a job. Not fun at all. Alright, now I'll put it back in the drill press.
Cosmopolitan Rain.